Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name's Nisha and I'm a stay-at-home mom of 3. Today's video is just a video of me retwisting my son's hair using the interlocking method. The conditioner that I'm using, or moisturizer that I'm using for his hair, is called the Pink Kids Easy Comb Detangler, and y'all, I can say I absolutely love this stuff. Like, his hair was really dry, like I had washed it but I forgot to grease his scalp. But when I put this pink moisturizer on there, it made this process go way better than I actually imagined. So I highly recommend them. No, I'm not sponsored, but I do recommend them. But anywho, I want to get into this video and just kind of chat with you guys and let you guys know what we have been up to here lately, because this mama literally took a YouTube hiatus. Well, I went and took a break from YouTube because there was a whole bunch of stuff going on basically after my youngest son had surgery. Well, my baby boy, he had a skull surgery because he had what is called metopic craniosynostosis, and it put us in the hospital after his surgery for a few days because the swelling was really bad. But I mean, he's healed, he's good, and he's just a playful little man all over again. But his metopic craniosynostosis is basically where the front sutures of the front of his head is basically closed, or it infused early, basically before he turned 2. And he had his surgery right at 18 months, and they really wanted to get the surgery done before he turned 2 so it wouldn't be a struggle, you know, for him later on in life. But we got that done, and I'm thankful to God that everything went smooth and he's a playful little man again. Now I'm actually comfortable to say something about it, because I'm pretty sure there are a lot of moms out there that are possibly going through the same thing, if not, you know, a little bit worse than what I'm going through. But I just want to let you know, honey, that you got this, your little person got this, and God's got you, so you are not alone. But anywho, we are doing okay. After we got out of the hospital with Cameron, my little boy, that's when basically the earth stood still. It was just a whole bunch of stuff going on, and like, I basically wasn't prepared for it. Like, I knew there was a lot of stuff going on in the world, but you know, I'm not gonna say what's going on, but you guys obviously know. But there was a lot of stuff going on in the world, and as soon as we got out the hospital, y'all, I felt like I woke up from a dream and was walking through the world like Rick did on The Walking Dead, y'all. I'm not kidding. Go to the store and I'm not able to purchase things that I'm like used to buying like every few weeks or every month or so. And it was a hassle after we got out the hospital, and then trying to have family help us out and whatnot. But it was just a pain with that, and then mentally wrap my head around it that it's actually real, and like this stuff is just really going on. And I couldn't find the strength to do a lot of stuff, the motivation to do a lot of stuff, and it really made me emotionally and physically sick because of, you know, just what's going on. No, I did not contract any of that, but this mom was fine. Like, I literally had like this sharp, not even a sharp pain, it was more like a knot pain in my stomach, and it was keeping me from doing that. I know some people can relate, because I remember posting it on Twitter and a lot of people were like, oh my God, that's happening to me too. My stomach just hurts and I don't know what's going on or how to even take it. Everything that's going on in the world right now is just too much, and you would likely see this stuff in movies and not for it to actually happen in real life. But here we are. I am thankful that we are still here, still living, still going strong. I am thankful that my husband is an essential worker and is out there, you know, doing what he has to do. No, he's not a doctor or, you know, working in the medical field or anything, but he is considered an essential worker because he works basically building like the piping and tubing and stuff for, you know, like oil companies or whatever. So I'm just so thankful for him and the job that he has, where he could, you know, possibly just keep working through everything that's going on and, you know, just keep supporting our family. We are truly blessed, and I am so thankful for him. As an update for YouTube, I do plan on coming back and making videos for you all. I know you all enjoyed all of my cleaning videos, and I truly enjoyed making them for you all, but Like I said, I took this hiatus and I kind of needed this break to kind of see where my mind was sitting, where my gut was sitting. I know a lot of you YouTube mamas out there are strong, and I salute you. I've been watching you guys, lurking you in the distance, and you girls are amazing. Just want to throw that out there. But I will be getting back to uploading my videos. I'm trying to stick to a strict schedule for myself, as well as me streaming on Twitch and sticking with that schedule. It's working so far, so hopefully I can wiggle YouTube back into the game and everything, so the way I can get my videos out there for you all, because I know you guys love them just as much as I love making them. So I want to upload at least one video a week for YouTube and continue my schedule for Twitch. And once I get, you know, the hang of everything, hopefully I can go from one video for YouTube to two. But we'll see how this goes. I mean, slow and steady wins the race, and I'm not going to rush into anything like I did when I first started, because when I did, I just started going, you know, buku crazy with it. Didn't really have time for a lot of stuff, and everything was basically all over the place. I couldn't take it. I was so unorthodox. I was not scheduling anything properly, and basically nothing was going as planned. So if I could go ahead and, you know, work something out, this would possibly work out for me. Okay, well, I know I sat here and talked to you guys ears off, but I do hope you guys enjoyed this video of me retwisting my son's hair, not using any type of gel, and using the interlocking method for any lock stars that are out there. I'm going on 9 years myself, and my son is going on his 2nd year, I believe. Started his out with braids. But if you guys like videos like this on top of my cleaning content, please let me know in the comments. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and I'll make more like this. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.